Yes, good evening. My name is Mixon, and I undertook a project of farm management system. It is under the agriculture sector. Under the agriculture sector, there were at least six possible systems, including the geographic management system, the weather management system, the market management system, the crop management system. Then the choice was the farm management system, why the system will help farmers in managing their farms efficiently, keep track of their finances, labor, inventory, and other farm operations. Problems to be solved are record keeping, farmer keep track of farm activities, labor management, and better planning. The methodology was prototyping because it will help to save time. It is even cost efficient, and it targets at achieving a perfect product. Yes, to the budget, that is my budget. Then the work plan, the work breakdown. I had activities, then which could be tasks and subtasks, whereby I had a planning as a subtask. Then under planning there was research gathering, requirements, questionnaire, meetings, etc., which would take 2 weeks, initiation 2 weeks as well, analysis 3 weeks, design 3 weeks, developing 3 weeks, implementation 2 weeks. Then the system had requirements. These include the user requirements. These could be the requirement, what a user needs to find in that particular system. For example, a user must find an easy to use system. That is what we say. The system easy to use, quick access, generate reports, farming it should have a farming assistant, full-time work of the system, then farming activities and more. Then I had functional requirements. The system should have a farming assistant, and so on and so on. These I corrected 60 of them. Then the business requirements. The system must provide an easy to use interface. The system must manage cash flow with clear visibility. Yes, to the non-functional requirements. Then the system requirements. Operating system. The system can run on Windows PC, memory sufficient, internet connectivity, mobile compatibility, data backup and management. Then that is my context diagram. It had a farm owner as an actor or as a stakeholder. Then the marketing managers, the supply managers, all these either will insert commands or receive commands. And I also had about farm veterinary service provider, then the user or farming assistant. This is the use case. I had to make a use case per user. This is the actor, the farm manager, whereby the farm manager creates accounts, we log in, give orders through typing, then upload reports and log out. This as well, this is a use case for a produce buyer, but they almost do the same. That's why I'm jumping them. Then this is the use case narrative, whereby I have a use case as register. Then this is the description, whereby the user enters registration details in the system, stores the details in that, and the system stores the details in database. He also creates account which is also stored in the database. Then this is the entity stroke attributes stroke data types table, whereby the farm manager has a farm ID which is in a data type of an integer, and the farm and his first name and last name as variable character, contact as integer, and it will be taking a 10 digits or 10 numbers, and the above characters will not exceed 25 characters, and the same as the other actors. Then I had an entity relationship diagram where a farm manager will give orders to the veterinary officer. It could be 0 to many orders. Then the veterinary officer also will insert many to one orders to the system, and the farm manager will also insert one to many. Then that is the system architecture. The system architecture, this is the client, the first client, the second client, the third client, then client N. They will access the system through the internet, and that system has its home data stored on their server, whereby the server also has a database, and this is where the data is stored. Then that is the user interface. That is the user interface. So this is a phone, and the user will click on an icon, and this icon will take him to the first page of the system, as it is labeled www.farmmanagementsystem. And from that he will be given a chance to log in if he already created an account. This is the text field for the name, and this is the text field for the password. Then after he signs in, he will be taken to this welcome to the farm management system. But for the new user, he will be given a chance to create an account. So this is the wireframe. That is the wireframe of the system, and that is the storyboard. The user taps on the web browser icon, and the phone pops up the web page where the user types and searches about the farm management system, as you can see. Then after that, the device pops up the login page, which is this one, and the user enters login details. From there, he will be able to go to the farm home page, or even go to the sign up page in case he's a new user. That is all I had. My name is Mixon, and that is my system. Thank you.